You're not sure if you should go down to Baja Mexico? You're not sure if it's safe? We show you how our border crossing went and how our first 11 days in mostly the dangerous northern part of Baja California were like. And what our biggest obstacles turned out to be. You ready?
Sí.
Sí?
Estoy
Muy
listo.
bien. Estás
Para
listo.
manejar.
Whoa, those holes. Driving along the border of Mexico. Nada que declarar. But we don't have anything to declare.
Everyone said stand.
Right line inspection. Yeah, I guess we'll kind of auto them, yeah.
But I think it's also RVs just have to go here.
Yeah. So we have to park here now. And we have to stamp FMM. Okay.
No, I know. There's another building behind this,
Oh.
this office.
Okay.
That's a, yeah,
Mesa,
it's Mesa, yeah.
Okay. Go ahead, thank you.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Do we just stay here and walk over there?
Okay.
Okay.
We made it over the border. It was actually much easier than we thought. We just kept on the right lane, on the something to declare lane. We didn't really have anything to declare. I mean, we had eggs and fresh stuff. Yeah, she just went in here going through some things, but nothing crazy. Parked, but we got inspected. We just left the van there and walked a very short walk to the office, and then we got our FMM stamped, and that's it. And now we're off. Now we are in Mexico. That's the wall, huh? Wow. And there's a little, what's it called, dike? Not bad. A side note, the road from Mexicali to San Felipe was not exciting, but in great condition. Our first military check. Yoo-hoo. 2 days before crossing the border, we actually met another couple in the Walmart parking lot. We hung out for a night and decided to travel down Baja together. Flautas!
Feels like when I'm peeing. It's even warm.
See the vegetable man in the vegetable van. The marionettes honking like a mariachi band.
And this was our very first campsite in Mexico, an abandoned RV park, still kind of an RV park. It probably suffered some hurricane damages in the days. It was $10 a night with some guard dogs right by the water and even flushing toilets and showers. But, well, the times of adventurous bathrooms have begun, let me tell you. But that's not why we chose this place. Very close by, there were supposed to be some hot springs. You had to get there at low tide, which we kind of tried, but it wasn't really a low tide, and we found them. Yeah, it actually bubbles. It was a nice warm tingle on the feet, but not really a true hot springs experience, if you ask me. Anyway, it was lots of fun and an interesting experience for sure. So So this just happened. Ah!
Oh, the wood broke? Oh, damn.
Yeah. I mean, the drawer itself still kind of works, but
Well, here's
I think...
the question. Do we want to somehow lash it and drive the rest of the way and figure it out later, or do we want to try and figure it out now?
We cannot figure it out now. That's gonna take too long.
Because we could stick like a stick through here, maybe, that will prevent it from opening there.
Fixed it. For now. And it was at this beach where it really struck me that this is my reality now. Being on a beach most of the time, beachcombing, waves, birds. It was a wild thing to realize. Puppy dog. Oh yeah, that horse doesn't really want to.
Not fun with the person holding the child.
Maybe the balance is off. Oh, dog, careful. And then we arrived at Bahia de los Angeles, or Los Angeles, whatever you want to call it. It's a nature reserve for birds, mainly. But it is, interestingly, also a free campsite. So we decided to stay there for 3 nights. Yeah, that was basically our first time staying somewhere for a little bit longer, and it felt really, really nice. On my first early morning stroll there, I saw lots of random trash laying around. Then I had to go out there again with a bag, and we made a little group activity out of it. Get wood and get trash. And well, we got lots of both. Ready to move further. What did you catch with your bare hands?
Might be a...
Oh my god, it looks so weird.
I mean, it's obviously a bottom fish. Maybe a tiny halibut?
We got it in exchange for borrowing this guy my snorkel and for lending and for cookies.
A local guy came up and he had all of his snorkeling gear and fishing gear. Except I guess he forgot his snorkel, so he just asked if we had a snorkel that he could use.
That is quite the haul, guys. Wow.
Yes, I was committed. I was like, there's too
Good
much.
job.
I can't leave it.
There's more. Is your friend gonna share with you?
Leftover skeleton.
Oh wow, that's interesting. Yeah, so this is the third one, and like one has the food, the other one protects his body from others. Oh.
Oh, the pelican's the big boy.
Oh boy. We started something.
Oh, no.
Oh shit. this little sunrise routine. Just getting out there and seeing how the ocean changes so much in the morning. I feel like it's just the best way to start a day, honestly. There was also no service, by the way, which definitely helps with that. But then it was time to go. We just wanted to get south faster. And we read that on our way back, there are signs for a basurero, so kind of a dump. Having 3 days of shit in bags and a lot of beach trash that we collected, we really needed to find a solution.
It makes me feel really bad we have any trash whatsoever.
And I guess we're supposed to just dump it in this fire pit up here?
And it just dawned on us that that might just be the standard here. Or maybe in whole Mexico? I don't really know. It is really sad to see and hard to believe. Oh my god. And we were off to our next spot, this time a tiny fishing village on the Pacific side with a beautiful close-by beach. Mexico! In a puffy jacket and a hat. This tiny town probably only had one restaurant, and it was this one. And they really had some amazing fish tacos, I must say. Your beard. That was great. El Cactus. Pick some or eat some. Eat it.
Scared.
Average date.
Mm-hmm.
Some trees have juicier ones. Like an Aldi date. It's a date, but it's like not crazy. Maybe I'll go to a different tree. So yeah, safety-wise, honestly, we never felt not safe or weirded out anywhere. The biggest problem is honestly the absolute lack of public restrooms and bushes to hide in, the infrequent shower options, and finding big enough or not awkward trash bins.
Hi.
my god.
It's the dachshund in her.
It's so cute. Cookie.
Where's your boyfriend?
Oh no, no, you're just laying down.